Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today it's second day of 30-day English speaking challenge. So today I will share my whole day's journey of yesterday. So let's get start. First of all, I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday. I finished my daily routine. After that, I sat on my chair for study and I studied. I studied 1 hour. After that, I had some food and I sat study for again. Um, After studying, I felt sleepy, so I went to sleep and I slept. I woke up again. I woke up at 3 p.m. in the evening and I took bath and I wore my clothes. I prepared my hair and I drank a glass of water. After that, I prepare for teach. I teach some student. After teaching, I swept my floor with broom. My friend called me that time and he asked me, "Where are you?" Came to the bridge. Then I replied, I am little busy. I would not come there. So he came at my home and and we 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 after coming we went to market. He bought some vegetables. I bought some vegetable also. Mm, After returning at my home and he went to his home, then I had to go to marriage function, so I took bath again and I wore new clothes. After preparing, I went to my friend's house. After that, we went to marriage function and we met some old friend there. We enjoyed a lot there. We ate some delicious food and talked more and more each other. We were half night there. After that, we came our home. I changed my clothes and I went to my bed for sleep. I slept. So this is my study whole day journey. Thank you. Meet the next video. Thank you.